I wanna try something all night. I wanna try something all night. Don't know your name, but I guess. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, Briana Marie, and today's video is going to be a collaboration video. Lovely Doll. I know her since I started watching YouTube, maybe a little bit after I started watching YouTube. I knew Makeup by JT. Doing a collaboration with her. I am so excited because she reached out to me to do this collaboration. If you don't know who she is, her social media sites, click the description bar below. You get to tell her that B Marie sent you over there to her page to go check her out. Let's get into this. Welcome back. Hey, I told you I was getting these videos out to you guys. So today is going to be a different video, a special video, because today's video is a collaboration, and it's a collaboration with your girl Makeup by JT here on the YT. The best glass cleaner ever. Get y'all some of this. Oh yes, I can see better now. Definitely do this on a night out in the springtime. So happy spring, everybody. It's so weird because y'all know I'm used to having a lavalier mic, and it's like I'm talking down here, but it's like I could talk perfectly because I have a mic right here, and it's just so professional. Like, since we're putting peach on the lids, I want to go in with orange just a little bit. I want to mix it with the yellow. So orange and yellow. I'm going to take that same brush and mix it in with this Sugar Peel Suburbia eyeshadow from the eyeshadow pen. to that blue. Let's do liner and then glitter. Now we are about to add this UV eyeliner from Stargazer. I'm gonna take this peach glitter. It's called Georgia Peach, and it's like a beady glitter kind of glitter. So you have to really work with this. I'm gonna try my best not to add so much. I'm gonna go add lashes and mascara. Today's highlighter I'm going to be taking is my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow. For blush, I'm going to mix all three of these together. The pink shade, the purple shade, and also the orange shade. Swatch this right here. Let's try these colors real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out Makeupbyjaytee's page. Everything will be in the description below or in the comment section pinned as a post. Don't forget to go follow me on social media sites like Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, like I always say. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.